How to find hidden chats on Viber. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can find hidden chats on Viber. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So if you want to find the hidden chats on your Viber, you can open up your Viber. And so let's say now I want to simply hide a chat. So let's say swipe left on a chat, then tap on hide. Then just enter a 4-digit PIN. Then your chat has been now hidden. To find the hidden chat on Viber, head over to the search bar and simply type in the 4-digit code that you used. After you do that, you will find out the hidden chats like this. And yeah, that's how you find hidden chats on your Viber. And that's basically it, guys. And that's how you can find the hidden chats on your Viber. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And bye-bye. Take care.